Welcome to the LinguistLink training for linguists. The training session will cover the basic navigation, features, and benefits of LinguistLink, as well as some common questions and issues that may arise. Let's get started. LinguistLink is a web-based platform that allows school district staff to request and receive language services, such as interpretation and translation, from qualified linguists. LinguistLink was created to eliminate the middleman in language services, allowing direct communication between clients and linguists. This reduces inefficiency and facilitates collaboration while keeping project managers informed. There are three main stakeholders in interpretation and translation requests: the requester, the scheduler, and the linguists. The requester fills out a form, the scheduler monitors tasks, and the linguists accept and confirm assignments. Let's get you logged into your account. You should have received an email for account setup from no-reply@linguistlink.net. Make sure to add no-reply@linguistlink.net to your safe senders list by adding as a contact. Watch as we log into an account. Here, we select Forgot Password. That brings us to this form where we enter our email address. We should receive a temporary password in our email and we can use it to log in with our username. Get started with LinguistLink by updating your profile. This can be seen by requesters. To access your profile, click on your name and select My Profile. Here, you can update specific information like your name and address. This is also where you change your password. Use a professional LinkedIn-style photo. Update your email address and phone number and languages you speak. The dashboard is a great place to get a glimpse of everything going on with your work. Let's go to the dashboard and take a look. You can see all your active projects, as well as your specific tasks. These are your connections who could potentially request projects. If you have any available projects proposed specifically to you, you will see them here. If there are available projects that might match your skills, you would see them here. Congratulations! You are now ready to receive and accept project proposals from clients and schedulers. Let's go through how to accept them. There are two types of projects for linguists: individual proposals and open proposals. For example, consecutive interpretation might be open to all, while translation and simultaneous interpretation would be individually proposed. Let's go through and show each type and how they are proposed. When there is an open proposal sent, you will receive an email notification that will clearly state a new project is available for all linguists. Review the details of the assignment directly in the email. You should find all the relevant information here. To accept the assignment, select the number at the bottom of the page. This will take you directly to the project item in the system. Now you're ready to accept the job. You will see a green button like this. If you don't see the button, it's likely that someone else already accepted the job. The other type of proposal is one sent specifically to you. If the project is proposed specifically to you, but you are not available, we ask that you click Not Available Now so that the language access team knows they should move on to another option. Like the open proposal, this email notification will provide the information you need. Go to the link next to Review, Accept or Reject Project here. If your site is using the financial features, you will see the budget for the assignment here. Once you have accepted the job, you can get to work. We will now show you how to send messages in the system and complete the job when you're done. You can send a direct message to the requester or the scheduler from LinguistLink. Send a direct message by selecting the Direct Message tab. Then select Message Requester or Message Scheduler. Type in a subject and comment. The comment field is also a required field. When you're ready, hit Send. To send a message to everyone, click the Message Everyone tab. This message will be seen by everyone involved in the project. Please consider the content before posting here. When you finish a translation task, go to the project information page on LinguistLink and click on the Deliver button. This will allow you to upload your work files and any comments or feedback you have for the district/school staff or the language access team. LinguistLink can help track time for time cards and auditing purposes. You can help by completing the task. We'll show you how. Click on Details next to your name. For interpreting jobs, you can enter actual hours to reflect the time you spent at the appointment. Then mark the assignment complete. You will see the day and timestamp for when you completed the task. You can track the progress and status of your tasks on your LinguistLink dashboard under My Projects. You can also view your budgets and other data under My Assignments. As a linguist, we want to hear from you. Please leave feedback at the end of the appointment or project. We'll show you how. Open the project page and scroll down to leave feedback. Complete the feedback form. If the feedback is directed at one person, you may select their name from the drop-down. Otherwise, just leave this blank. You made it through the training. To get help for project-related questions, contact the Language Access Coordinator for your district. For system-related questions, contact us at LinguistLink with the information below. Thank you.